Hello students, in this video we shall cover MCQs of the latest sample question paper issued by CBSE for the year 2024 for mathematics standard paper. The question number 1 says there are two positive integers a and b, x cube y square and xy cube, and we have to find the result obtained by dividing product of the integers, that is x cube y square multiplied by xy cube divided by the LCM. Now LCM is the highest power of x and y, so it is x cube and y cube. This is the LCM. Now let's do the cancellations. X cube and y cube gets cancelled and we are left with xy square, which is given by option B. So B is the right answer. See students, you have to do minimum written work. There is no need to write down the formula. There is no need to write down LCM separately. Just directly do what is required in the question. Right? Extra हमने कुछ भी नहीं करना है. और कई बच्चे आंसर अलग से लिखते हैं इज इक्वल टू एक्स वाई स्क्वायर. इवन दिस इज़ नॉट रिक्वायर्ड. हमको सिर्फ ऑप्शन को टिक करना है. ऑप्शन आपने एग्जाम में ऐसे लिख देना है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 बी ऑप्शन इज़ द करेक्ट आंसर. दैट्स इट. इसके अलावा आपको कुछ भी लिखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. I hope you understand this. Let's see question number 2. The given linear polynomial has how many zeros? So clearly it has only one zero at which it meets x-axis. So 1 0 and the 0 is 3. B is the right option. Because 0 is not 4, it is 3 since it is passing through 3. Let's see question number 3. The following lines represent which condition? So since these are parallel lines clearly, so parallel lines give this condition a1 over a2 is equal to b1 over b2 but not equal to c1 over c2. So clearly B is the right option. Let's see question number 4. We need to find the nature of roots. For this we find discriminant for which a is 9, b is minus 6 and c is minus 2. So D will be B square, that is 36, minus 4 into A into C, which gives us 36 plus 72. So 108 is the discriminant. Now you see carefully, this discriminant is positive, hence C will be the right answer. Two distinct real roots. Okay. For equal roots, B option, D should be equal to 0, and for no real roots, D should be negative, that is less than 0. And a quadratic equation cannot have more than 2 real roots. I hope you understand this. Now let's see question number 5. Two APs have same common difference. If the first term of first is minus 1, the other is minus 8, then difference between their fourth term. It will be the difference between their first terms only. Minus 1 minus minus 8, which gives you minus 1 plus 8, that is 7. So C is the right option. In fact, fourth term की जगह कोई भी नंबर की टर्म हो, difference between their 10th term, difference between their 100th term or millionth term, it will remain the same, whichever is the difference between the first terms. Okay. Let's see question number 6. We need to find out the ratio. So let's draw a rough figure. The points are 2, minus 3. Line joining 2, minus 3 and 5, 6 is divided by x-axis. So हमको पता है कोई भी point जो x-axis पे होता है वो किस form का होता है? x, 0. Right? And we shall take ratio as k is to 1. So there is no benefit of using x coordinate because we don't know the x coordinate. So we will directly apply for 0 for y coordinate. So 0 is equal to k into 6 because we only take care of y coordinates plus 1 into minus 3 divided by k plus 1. Now this k plus 1 becomes 0. So we get 6k is equal to 3. Okay, so k comes out to be 1 by 2. So hence the required ratio is 1 is to 2. So A is the right answer. 1 is to 2 is the right answer. I hope you get it. Question number 7 says, a point xy is at a distance of 5 units from the origin. How many such points lie in the third quadrant? As you know, this is the third quadrant. Now the point is at a distance of 5 units. Let's suppose this is a distance of 5 units. So how many points are at a distance of 5 units? In the circle of this radius of 5. But we are only interested in third quadrant. So in third quadrant, all the points which are lying on this quarter circle, they are our answer. And how many points are these? Obviously, we cannot count. Therefore, infinitely many is the answer. D option. Let's see question number 8 from similar triangles. We are given DE is parallel to AB and we are given that AB is A, DE is X, BE is B and EC is C. We need to find out a relationship. So clearly it will come from the similarity. Triangle DEC will be similar to the whole triangle ABC. We don't need to show the similarity. Straightway let's write down the ratios. Right? So may I say that DE upon AB, that is X over A, is equal to EC, that is C, upon CB, that is B plus C. Right? So clearly X can be expressed as, if we cross multiply, X can be expressed as AC divided by B plus C. So B is our right answer. I hope you understand this one. It's a very important question. It can also be asked in subjective. Let's see question number 9. We are given that chord PQ makes an angle of 50 degree with the tangent. So this angle is 50 degree, fine. And we have to find angle subtended by the chord at the center, that is angle O we need to find. So can I say that angle 1 plus angle 2, they make 90, right? Angle 1 plus 2 is equal to 90. So if angle 1 is 50, may I say angle 2 is 40? You don't need to write everything I told you in the beginning of the video. If angle 2 is 40, then this angle Q is also 40. So 40 plus 40 is 80 and our angle O will be 180 minus 80, that is 100 degree should be the answer by angle sum property. I hope it is clear to you. You have to be a little faster than me in the exam because I am explaining the things. Otherwise, अगर हम इसको डायरेक्ट करेंगे तो हम सीधा सोचेंगे ये 50 है, ये 40 हो गया, 40 plus 40 80, 180 में से 80 माइनस करें 100 and we'll directly get to the answer. I hope you understand this. Question number 11 is very interesting given that sin theta is A by B. So, let's see, sin theta is some people have. Right? That means P is A and hypotenuse is B. So clearly by Pythagoras theorem, we are going to get the base as root B square minus A square. कैसे मिला हमें ये? Pythagoras theorem use करके. We need to find out cos theta. Cos theta is base upon hypotenuse. So value of cos theta will become, this is the base upon hypotenuse. C option को ये मैच कर रहा है. So option C will be the right answer for this. यहाँ पे एक छोटी सी आपको मैं ट्रिक बताती हूँ याद करने की, मेरा अलग से वीडियो भी है. That some people have curly brown hair through proper brush. So sin theta is equal to P by H, cos theta is equal to B by H and tan theta is equal to P by P. You can visit that video and I hope you will like it. Let's see question number 12. It's an identity, so we need to solve it. To obtain the answer, secant A can be written as 1 by cos A, right? It is reciprocal of cos. Plus tangent A can be written as sin A by cos A. And let's keep it 1 minus sin A as it is. Alright. Now, if we take LCM, we get cos A in the denominator and 1 plus sin A in the numerator. Right? And here 1 minus sin A is as it is. Now clearly if we multiply the numerators, we are going to get 1 minus sin square A. Right? And in the denominator we have cos A. And we know what is 1 minus sin square A. It is cos square A divided by cos A. So clearly our answer is going to be D option, that is cos A should be the right answer. Let's see question number 13. If a pole 6 meter high casts a shadow 2 root 3 meter long. So this is 6, this is 2 root 3. Then we need to find the angle of elevation of the sun, that is theta. So let us find out what is tangent theta equal to. So tangent theta is through proper brush, as I just told you the poem. So it is 6 upon 2 root 3. Right? Now how do we divide it? This gets cancelled 3, and in 1 3 we can say there are 2 root of 3's, right? So 1 root 3 gets cancelled, we are left with only root 3. So which value of theta gives tangent theta as root 3? It is 60 degree. Hence 60 degree, that is A option is the right answer. Hope you understand. If you are understanding the video, please students like and subscribe to the channel, and do share the video and comment me so that I get motivated. Students, let's discuss question number 14. Perimeter and area of a circle are numerically equal. Now we know that perimeter of a circle means circumference and area is pi r square. If they are numerically equal, pi and pi gets cancelled, r gets cancelled with 1 r, and we get r as 2 units. Right? So A becomes our right answer. I want to discuss a little about this question. This question is same as old NCRT, exercise 12.1, question number 5, right? Which is now deleted from your syllabus. It has been deleted from your syllabus, and exactly same question is there in the CBSE sample paper. This is a bit confusing. Same goes with question number 15 also. We will come further. Question number 15 is same as question number 2 of 12.1. So from only one exercise, out of 5 questions, 2 are given in the CBSE sample paper. So it is quite confusing on the part of CBSE. लेकिन यहाँ मैं कहना चाहूँगी कि शायद ये टॉपिक ऐसा है जो आपने छोटी क्लासेस में किया हुआ है, तो हम ये नहीं कह सकते कि ये आउट ऑफ सिलेबस है या हम इसके लिए ग्रेस मार्क्स की डिमांड करें अगर एग्ज़ाम में आ जाए. तो इसके लिए आप कुछ टॉपिक्स जो डिलीटेड सिलेबस के भी हैं, पुरानी बुक से भी हैं, वो आप ज़रूर कर लें. आई विल मेक अ सेपरेट वीडियो ऑन विच डिलीटेड टॉपिक्स यू शुड डू फ्रॉम द ओल्ड बुक, क्योंकि जो तो बिल्कुल ही टॉपिक्स कट चुके हैं वो आप छोड़ सकते हो, जैसे कि क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशंस का कंप्लीटिंग द स्क्वायर. लेकिन क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशंस की वर्ड प्रॉब्लम कट चुकी हैं, बट दे आर इम्पॉर्टेंट, सो यू मस्ट डू देम. तो आई विल मेक अ सेपरेट वीडियो फॉर दिस. If you will comment and if you will motivate me. Let's go to question number 15. उसके साथ भी ऐसी ही मुश्किल है थोड़ी सी. Let's see question number 15, which is same as NCRT 12.1 question number 2, right? अभी जैसा मैंने पिछले क्वेश्चन में डिस्कस किया, this was 12.1 question number 5, old NCRT, right? Old NCRT. Now let's see this question. It is proposed to build a new park equal in area to the sum of areas of two circles. So let's see, area of the new circle is pi r square. Area of the previous circles will be pi into 8 square, as diameter is 60, plus pi into 6 square as diameter is 12. और जैसा मैंने आपको वीडियो के फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन में कहा था, हर चीज़ लिखनी नहीं है कि आप 16 डिवाइडेड बाई 2 8 शो करें, 12 डिवाइडेड बाई 2 6 शो करें. नो नीड. नाउ पाई गेट्स कैंसल्ड थ्रू आउट, बट don't cancel squares, it will be wrong. Okay, this gives you 64 plus 36, that is 100. So clearly r comes out to be 10. So A is the right answer. और NCRT में यहाँ पे रेडियाई दिए हुए हैं except for diameters, और मीटर्स की जगह सेंटीमीटर है. This is the only difference. So once again I will say you कि आप डिलीटेड सिलेबस टोटली मत छोड़िए. जो टॉपिक्स आपके विद इन रेंज हैं, जैसे मैंने आपको एग्जांपल दिया है कि क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन की वर्ड प्रॉब्लम्स की एक्सरसाइज कटी है, लेकिन वैसे वर्ड प्रॉब्लम सिलेबस में हैं तो आपको कर लेनी चाहिए. तो आई विल मेक अ सेपरेट वीडियो ऑन द होल बुक कि आपको क्या छोड़ना चाहिए और क्या कर लेना चाहिए. ठीक है, लेट्स गो फर्दर. लेट्स सी क्वेश्चन नंबर 16. There is a square board of side 2a. Now this is 2a, right? Circumscribing a red circle. Jaydev has to keep a dot and probability that he keeps dot on the shaded region. So let us see our favorable case and total case, right? Favorable case is area of square minus area of circle, that is our favorable case, and total case is obviously area of square. So let us solve this. Area of square will be 4a square minus, for area of circle radius is a, so it will be pi a square divided by what is area of square, 4a square. So clearly you can see that a square, if we take a square common, it will get cancelled, but we will not waste our time in writing a square as common. ठीक है, ए स्क्वायर को अलग से ऐसे लिख के शो करने की आपको 4 माइनस पाई स्क्वायर की ज़रूरत नहीं है. ऐसे आप ये वाला स्टेप शो करने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. 4 minus pi by 4, so B is the right answer which we can see. So MCQs को करने की टेक्निक थोड़ी सी फ़र्क होती है. अभी यहाँ पे मैं थोड़ा आपको डिटेल में समझा रही हूँ, लेकिन अगर आप मेरे पॉइंट्स को माइंड में रखेंगे और रिटर्न वर्क कम से कम करेंगे तो यू विल सी दैट योर स्पीड विल बी geared up. Let's see question number 17 of probability. We have 2 cards of hearts and 4 cards of spades are missing. So what is the total number of cards? Out of 52, 6 cards are missing. So 46 is the total number of cards, right? Let us see the favorable ones. We need the probability of a black card. We know that total there are 26 black cards, out of which 4 black cards are missing because spades are black whereas hearts are red. Okay, so 26 minus 4, which gives us 22. So 22 by 46 is our required probability. Option B is already given, so we don't need to bring it to lowest terms because option B is as it is, 22 by 46. I hope you get it. Let's see question number 18. We have to find upper limit of model class. But if you see, this is a cumulative table, right? So we first need to convert it to the normal frequency table. Now since here gap is of 5, so our first class will be 135 to 140, and similarly we shall write the other classes. Here they are, and now let us write the frequencies. Now since it is below 140, frequency is 4, so obviously 135 to 140 also frequency will remain 4. Now below 145 it is 11, out of which 4 is already adjusted in the first one. So 11 minus 4 is 7. 29 minus 11 is 18. Then 40 minus 29 is 11. Then 46 minus 40 is 6. And last one is 5. Now model class is that class which has highest frequency. So clearly this is our model class. And our question is the upper limit. So 150 is the right answer. D is the right option for this. I hope you understand. Let's come to assertion reason. Assertion reason में हम पहले दोनों statements को check करेंगे कि true है या false है. अगर तो दोनों में से एक भी false है तो हमारा C या D में से option होगा और हमारा काम कम हो जाता है ये check करने का कि reason उसकी correct explanation है या नहीं. तो let us check out. TSA of top is sum of the CSA of hemisphere and CSA of cone. Is it true? Yes. So assertion is true. Reason says top is obtained by joining plane surfaces of hemisphere and cone together. Is that true? Yes. So this is also true. अब A और B में से एक हमारा आंसर है since both are true. तो क्या जो reason है वो correct explanation है assertion की? Yes, because we can see कि because हमने दोनों के plane surfaces को join किया है इसीलिए उनके curved surface areas जो हैं वो total surface area बना रहे हैं इस top का. top यानी कि लट्टू जिसे हम कहते हैं हिंदी में. तो इसका मतलब A हमारा right answer हो गया. Got it? So we have reached the last question, question number 20, where assertion says कि whether this is an AP or not. So let us check it. AP के लिए हम क्या करते हैं? Second term minus, that is sign change, first term. So what is the common difference? It is 5 by 2. Again third term and sign change, second term, it is again 5 by 2. And the last one is 5 by 2 minus 0. 5 by 2 minus 0 is again 5 by 2 since common difference is same. Therefore, yes, it is an AP. This is true. यहाँ पे स्टूडेंट्स से एक बात का ध्यान रखना है, अगर आपको 4 टर्म्स दी हुई हैं तो आपने सभी को चेक करना है, ये नहीं कि आपने फर्स्ट 2 केसेस को चेक कर लिया और लास्ट केस को छोड़ दिया, ठीक है। Statement second, that is reason says terms of an AP cannot have both positive and negative rational numbers. भाई ये तो गलत है, it is wrong. We know that AP can contain negative numbers also. So clearly this statement is false और इसमें हमारा काम बड़ा आसान हो जाता है, हमें फर्दर चेक नहीं करना पड़ता कि रीज़न जो है वो प्रॉपर लॉजिक है assertion का या नहीं। तो हम देख सकते हैं कि C will be the right answer where assertion A is true but reason R is false. So with this we come to an end of the MCQ section. I will be coming up with the remaining sections also. Stay tuned. I hope you understood all the concepts. Once again I will repeat that do not explain in MCQs. No explanation is required. आपको जितना verbally अगर आप कर सकते हो तो उसे लिखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. We only require the option जो कई बार देख के भी पता चल जाती है, ठीक है। And stay focused, go through all the options if you have time and do MCQ section at the end, in the last of the paper. First you do all the other sections. Section A जो है वो आप सबसे last में करेंगे. Alright, I hope you liked the video. If you liked, please hit the like button. Do comment and let me know if you liked. It really motivates. Do subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. All the best for your exam. Stay tuned. Thank you.